Hi, hello. Welcome to day 8 of daily doses of C++ with me. In this video, we will learn about how to store a negative number in a data type, and also we will summarize and we will learn each and every basic to advanced information about use of operators, what are operators, and how many types of operators are there in C++. So to store negative number, in order to store negative number, first I will teach you how to store negative numbers, and then we will see the meanings of what are complements of a given binary number. So if number is negative, then the first bit of that number will be 1, and if number is positive, then first bit of that number will be 0, which basically means I will tell. So in the upcoming process, we will write ones complement and twos complements of different type of numbers, which we have to store, negative numbers or positive number, which we have to store. Whenever first bit of that number comes to be 0, then number is positive, and whenever the first bit of that number comes to be 1, then it will be negative. What is first bit? First is basically the final output of the binary number converted by the compiler. In that string, we will see the first number, like let's say string is 1110110000, then the first number is 1, so this is the first bit. So if as first bit is 1, that is the number which would be taken in the starting, जिसका हमने binary बनाया, that would be negative. Like for example, we take number as -5. So we already know in mind that -5 is a negative number, but in order to check or to store -5 in the data type, what we will do, we will first ignore the negative sign of -5. So let's ignore -5, negative sign of -5, the number left is 5. Now convert 5 into binary. I have already told you in the last lecture how to convert a number into its binary form. Like if we have to convert 5, what we will do, we will divide it with 2, 1, here 1, 0, and we will write from down to up, that is binary of 5 will be 101. So binary of 5 is 101. Now next step would be, we will take 2's complement. So in another page I will tell you what are complements. So complements का मतलब होता है basically like one's complement is simply the binary of a given number, and whenever we have to find 2's complement, we will add 1 to 1's complement. That's it. Like 5 has 1's complement 101, its 2's complement would be 101 plus 1, that is 102. That's it. Now come to the page. Now another thing is, we will take 2's complement, which is 101. Now what we will do, we will reverse the digit of 2's complement. These are the steps of negative number. So to check and to store negative number in the data type, we will take the complement of 2 and store, that is 2's complement cannot have into binary, which is 101. We will reverse it, which is 010, then we will add 1 to make it 2's complement, which is 011. So we will add 011 here, and also we will convert other numbers or other values stored in bits like 000. It would be 111 000 111 0000 1111 101 plus 1, that is final string would be 11111111111. Its first bit is 1, that is -5 is a negative number. again, if you didn't have understand what I have told you, then I will try to again explain you. Like if we have to check whether a number is negative, for example, let's say we have taken number minus, let's take another example. For your convenience, I will take another example and show you the whole process by my own. Now here, see, let's take number minus 6. So first step is we have to write minus 6, we have to ignore the negative sign, so number left is 6. Now what we have to do, we will change 6 into its binary form, which is 110. Now what we will do, this is one binary of 6, binary form of 6. Now we will convert 6 into this, we will convert this 110 into 001, which is a step of checking whether the number is negative or not. Now what we will do, we will add ones, so in order to find its 2's complement. And in this string we also have 3 more bits which have zeros, 010s stored in that. And when we will convert it, which is 111, 101, 1110. And in this string, in this whole string, first bit is 1, that is number we have taken is negative, which is correct because we have taken minus 6 in order to check whether number is negative or not. Now we will talk about what are operators. So there are different type of operators. This operator, from the first lecture I have told you, from the first lecture I have explained you from the first lecture. This is the operator of modulus operator, which gives us remainders, only. This, now there are some more type of operators. Arithmetic operators are another type of operators. 4 type of arithmetic operators are there in C++: positive, negative, divide, and multiply and divide. Positive, negative, and multiply, these are simple operators, we can use them simply, but in case of divide we need to be careful. Like for example, if we take 2 divided by 5, we know that 2 divided by 5 always gives us output 0.4, but in reality what we will get as output, or what system will print, is simply 0, which is basically the integer part of 2 divided by 5. Now because when we will do integer by integer, then answer comes will be integer only. Now next is float by int. In float by int we get float as output. In double by int we get double as output. So whenever we have to use divide, we can't use integer by integer. We have to use float by integer or double by integer, because in that case we will get the actual answer which should have come, because in that case we didn't get the only integral part of the original answer, right? Like 2 divided by 5, if int is 2 divided by 5, we write a code C out A and L, C out 2 divided by 5. In these both lines the output would be different. Like in this line C out A, we have, because we are printing the int A output only, so it will give only integer part of A, which is 0. And but when we will print C out 2.0 divided by 5, then in this case answer would be 0.4. There are some type of relation operators. I will write codes to show you, but till now you only try to remember that these are the relation operators, that is greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. And whenever we need to write them in a code, you will use symbols like A is equals to B, A greater than B, A less than B, A greater than equals to B, A less than equal to B. This is basically sign of negation, just A exclamatory mark. One thing we have to remember is we can't write this as this is wrong. मैथ्स में चलता है सब, यहाँ नहीं चलता. We have to, if we have to write greater than equal to, we have to use this symbol, not this. Now कोड लिख के दिखा देंगे अगले लेक्चर में. नेक्स्ट इज लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स. सो this is simple type of operator. There are two types of logical operator, negation operator and AND operator. So negation operators is used to find negative of any number, and AND operators is used to when we have to perform or when we have to show the multiple conditions in the same code. So this was the lecture. In the next lecture I will write each and every code on screen. Thanks.